Welcome to the spoken tutorial on export, print and download maps. In this tutorial, we will learn how to export a map, print a map and download maps. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.8.3. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20 and a working internet connection. To practice this tutorial, learner should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. We will learn how to export a map for future reference. We will export a map of India with different states. For this, we will use OpenStreetMap from the map view. Click on OpenStreetMap. For better view, I will select Flat View option from the drop-down menu. Zoom in and locate India on the map. I will move and place the windrows in a convenient location. Let us first hide Overview Map, Compass, Scale Bar and Windrows for better view of the map. Right-click on the Overview Map. A context menu opens. Select Hide option from the menu. Overview Map is hidden from the interface. Similarly, I will hide Compass, Scale Bar and Windrows from the interface. Next, let us hide Latitudes and Longitudes. Go to Legend panel and uncheck Coordinate Grid checkbox. Click on the File menu. Select Export Map option. Export Map dialog box opens. Select a location to save the file. I will select the desktop folder. In the file name field, type the file name as India-map.png. We can export the map in .png or .jpg formats. Click on the Save button at the bottom of the dialog box. Let us open the exported map. Go to the desktop folder. Here we can see India-map.png file. Let us double-click to open this file. Click on the Close button to close the file. Let us go back to the Marble interface with the same map view. Next, we will learn how to print maps in Marble. Click on the File menu and select Print option. The Print dialog box appears on the interface. Let us click on the Options button in the dialog box. A menu appears with 3 tabs, namely Copies, Options and Marble. The options in this window are the standard print options. Click on the Marble tab. In this tab, we can select the checkboxes to display various options on the map. Visible globe region is selected by default. We can check outer space and legend checkboxes if required. Now we will print our map. Let us click on the Print button at the bottom of the dialog box. If you have configured your printer correctly, then your map will start printing. An assignment for you. Export the political map of Africa in the .png format. Hint: use Flat View option. Let us go back to the default view. Check Coordinate Grid checkbox. Then go to Map view and select Atlas view. click on the globe view button. Let us zoom out and go back to the default view. Next, we will learn how to download maps in Marble. Internet connectivity is required to download a map. To download maps, go to File menu and select Download Maps option. Shortcut key to download map is Ctrl+N. Marble Install Maps window opens on the interface with various maps. There is a scroll bar on the right side of this window. Let us scroll down to see different maps that are available for download. A short description about each map is given along with its view. Below the description, we can see author, license, and version for that particular map. On the right side of each map, we can see an install button with a tick mark. From the list of maps, I will select Natural Earth 3 map for downloading. Click on the install button corresponding to Natural Earth 3 map. We see that install button is replaced by a progress bar. It will take a few seconds to download depending on the internet connectivity. Apart from the maps of Earth, we also have maps of other celestial bodies. Now I will download the map of Mercury. If you wish to cancel the installation, click on the Cancel button. After downloading, click on the Close button at the bottom of this window. Go to Map View and scroll down. We can see that Natural Earth 3 map is saved in the Map View panel. Click on Natural Earth 3 map. Natural Earth 3 map opens on the interface. We have also downloaded the map of Mercury. As Mercury is a planet, it is saved in the Earth drop-down button. Let us go to Earth drop-down button and click on it. Observe that Mercury is added to this drop-down. Click on Mercury. Globe view of Mercury opens. An assignment for you. Download the maps of Venus and Mars. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned how to export a map, print a map, and download maps. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Vijay Nair from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for watching.